Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 9 biology class and new chapter. Today I am going to study new chapter. This is chapter 9. Chapter name is nutrition. The nutrition, this is the bacteria and fungi in the last chapters I have completed, and the new chapter today I am going to start the nutrition. Then what is nutrition, this process, and what is nutrient have to know properly. Okay, first only today I will discuss the introduction part. What is things very short video I'm making. Okay, now the nutrition. Nutrition is the process of providing or obtaining necessary food material consisting of the essential inorganic and organic compounds like the protein, vitamin for growth, maintenance and survival. Nutrition is the process, okay, for the obtaining energy or the providing energy from the food. From food we will get the nutrition, and the food and consisting different types of inorganic and organic materials, protein, carbohydrate, vitamin, minerals, all these things present in the food. Not means that all food present all nutrition. The different foods has a different nutrition. Later I will discuss in details. But this is the this process obtaining energy from the food materials for reason is actually for do our work, for maintenance our body, for repairing the tissue. This process is called nutrition. This process is called nutrition. And what is nutrient? A nutrient is an organic and inorganic chemical substances which nourish our body. What is nutrient? Nutrient is that nutrient is the inorganic. Nutrition is the process, okay, and nutrient is the inorganic or the organic chemicals that nourish our body, and these nutrients supply the energy for do our work and for repairing the cell, for repairing the tissue, for maintenance our body. For these things actually the nutrients provide energy, and our food contains the many nutrients. Many nutrients contains our food. The different types of food is there. Food contains different types of nutrients. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, all these things present. And the food is substances contain nutrients that we eat or drink. And what is the food? Food is the actually the substances that we eat or drink. This is called the food. And the required energy requirements for the body. For what is the reason for the energy required in our body? For the needed for maintenance our body tissue and the body temperature. Also energy for reason. What is the reasons of the required of the energy? Actually for maintenance our body, for repairing cell and repairing the tissue, and other thing that for growth, physical and mental activity also. Physical activity also the mental activity. We need the energy for do our different types of physicals and mental activities. Protection from disease. Protection we get from nutrition, we build up, we boost our immunity from the food. Okay. And the protection disease infection also the reproduction. In the energy for requires the reproduction for protection disease is actually for the body making. We need our energy, and from where we get energy? From the food, and in the food the nutrient is present, and the different types of nutrient is present is the carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals. Here step by step I will discuss in details. Okay, and these different types actually we have to eat food or the drink different types of drinks, and for this obtaining the energy is called the nutrient. And here the chart given the energy requirement for the various age, sex and the occupations. Okay, this chart is follow this chart. Nothing is there. The main actually the 60. This is actually kg what is given there, and what is the energy requirement for women, girls and boys. What is the energy requirements given here? This is a chart. After that, the classes of food. Actually, the 6 classes of food nutrients. First one is the carbohydrate, protein, fat, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, vitamins, minerals, and water. The six classes of food: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, and water. All these things require body for provide energy. Okay, carbohydrate, protein, fat, but not all food present. All the food six contains. Define difference food. Define difference present. The sources. Okay. The first, actually, the body building food. The body building food means the protein. These are the protein rich food. These proteins actually helps to our body building, for helps in cell growth and the repair tissue, repair the cell. For example, which type of this is protein rich food? Pulses and nuts, milk, egg, meat, so on. This is the all are the protein rich food. Meat, egg, and the vegetables, and vegetables mean green vegetables also, and the milk, oil seed, nuts is very much of the protein source. Okay, every day you eat nuts, you get the protein source. Meat and the energy providing food actually the carbohydrate and the fat for give the energy. For example, the fats, the oil, sugar, the cereals, and the like potatoes, all these are carbohydrate rich food. All this actually you are asking the if you ask, this is the carbohydrate. Don't take too much carbohydrate, but carbohydrate also needed in your body. If you not take carbohydrate, means don't take over it, all these things. But we need the six class, all the nutrients we needed in our body for making carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, and water. And the protective food, these are the rich in vitamins and minerals. These are the protective food. Vitamins are the very portion is required for there's a protective. They protects from infection, different types of disease. These are the actually the guava, orange, vegetables, dietary fibers, all are the protective food. The body building food and the energy providing food and protective food. The three types of food is there, and these are actually including in the carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, and the water. These classes of the food, and the step by step, and I will discuss the letters. What is carbohydrate? How these things our body, protein, fats, and vitamins. Okay.